welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. Before I get started, if you've been coming back and you're a subscriber, thank you. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell button, whatever. It looks like a bell. It's a button that looks like a bell. So you know when I upload new videos. I'm trying to do Thursdays and Sundays, but I'm thinking maybe I should switch to Fridays and Sundays. But I don't know, because it seems like Friday is like the hopping day that people are on and watching stuff. I don't know. I'm shooting for Thursdays and Sundays, so we'll see. We'll see. I'm working on it, people. I'm working on it. Anyway, today I wanted to go ahead and feature this eye look that I did using the Milani Pure Passion, which you're not going to really see that nice golden cover very well because of all my lights, palette. So it is super pretty. Like, this palette was screaming fall, autumn eye looks when I saw it. I got it at Walmart. I'm pretty sure it was $14.95. They have 3 other palettes, the Soft and Sultry, the Bold Obsessions, and then Most Love Matte. And I did a Soft and Sultry eye tutorial, so if you want to see that palette, just go through my videos and you'll see that video. I'm going to go ahead and insert the swatches of this palette now. The colors are definitely beautiful. So yeah, so if you want to see how I did this eye look today, then just keep watching. Okay, so I've already done my whole face, just about. I haven't put any highlighter or anything on, and I haven't done my lips. But obviously I've done all my foundation, I've done some bronzer, I've done my brows, as you can see. So let's cross our fingers and hope that this doesn't make a mess on my face, because I've already done my face and then I'd have to like wipe it off and redo and whatever. So let's just hope I didn't make a mess. So anyway, here's the palette again. It's so pretty! So pretty. So I will, So I've already inserted the swatches prior to now. So anyway, just wanted to show it to you again. I think I'm gonna go in with this color here, Totally Fond of You. And I'm gonna put that all over my lid. And I'm going to use my Morphe E30 fluffy brush. Again, this is just like my go-to fluffy brush. It's dense, it just helps apply a nice color. I don't know. I just really like the brush. And Morphe brushes are, I don't want to say super cheap, but they're fairly affordable. And I think I like this brush because if you notice, like when I'm putting it on, you see how wide the brush is, and I have a lot of like upper, I don't want to say upper lid space, but like the space between like my crease and my eyebrow, and this brush like fits in there, so I don't have to work really hard to get that area covered with product. So I think that's why I really like it. And I'm not saying, God, like, you know what? I feel like people get so offended with everything you say. You have to be like, well, people might assume that I'm saying you can't use this brush if you don't have as much space. It's not what I'm saying. I'm just explaining why I like the brush so much. Okay? Okay. And this color, the shadow is applying really nice. I mean, as you can see, I didn't have to work really hard to get that coverage that I wanted. So anyway, I'm going to go in with, I think I'm just gonna go in with this color, Spice It Up. And I'm gonna go in with this tapered brush. that fits nicely in my crease so I don't have to work so hard. I'm really hoping that I'm not going to get a whole bunch of fallout, especially on my shirt, because like I never wear white, and I finally found like this amazing white shirt at, I think it was TJ Maxx or Marshall's, and I actually really like it. It's super soft, super comfortable, and I don't want to make a mess with makeup all over it. So I'm going to put that in my crease. And as always, when going in with a darker color, you just want to like apply the tip of the brush where you've applied that product to see what the payoff is going to be before you just go in and start swiping and applying a whole bunch of product that might be, that might have a lot of pigment to it, because then you're going to have to work really hard to blend that out. And then I'm going to go in with the color Lust and Luminous. And I'm going to apply that with my Urban Decay shadow brush, because it's that nice flat brush that I like for packing on the color. Actually applying pretty nice with a brush, so I'm going to go ahead and work with it, see what I can get that color to build up to. If it doesn't start building up and packing on, I might try to use my finger, so we'll see. I really hope you guys can see that on camera like I see it in the mirror, because that color is so flipping pretty. It's got like such a nice golden, I don't know, golden sparkly, almost not golden, almost like a, golden's not the word I want, like a cream, champagne, off-white, like creamy, you know what I mean? Oh, it's so pretty. I hope you know what I mean. Because apparently I'm at a loss for words right now, and golden was the only color I could come up with in cream, so I don't know. But I hope you get what I'm saying. It is so pretty. I do see some transfer at the top of my lid, but I'm not really too concerned about that. I can clean that up. I am getting that fallout down here though, which again, that's not too terrible with the glitter. I'm hoping that'll brush away. That's going to be better than getting any of those darker colors with fallout on your face, because sometimes when you try to brush them away, you end up smearing that color, so that's where it kind of gets messy. So alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. I think what I'm going to try is just, I mean, I like that how it is, but now I'm kind of curious to see what would happen if I apply it with a little bit of wetness to it. So I'm going to spray that with my MAC Fix Plus and see what happens. Curiosity killed the cat, you know. And why not let me make the mistakes or do the experimenting? That's why you're watching, right? So then you know what's going on. I mean, it added a little bit it added something to it, but in all honesty, it's not a necessary step. I don't think it's a necessary step to have to spray it or add it or wet your brush. So that's going to be your personal preference. This is so freaking pretty. Like, I'm not even, oh my gosh, guys, like, I'm super pumped about this palette. Just make sure it's not all over my shirt. Super pumped. So let's go ahead and clean that up. I'm going to go back in with that first brush I used and just kind of dust across here. Just to kind of blend that out, make sure there's no harsh lines. And then I'm going to go back in with that tapered brush and go through the crease and try to brush up some of that transfer there. And then, let me see, I'm going to go in with this Luxie 516 Duo Fiber powder brush and brush off my face and see how that does. I'm pretty sure I got this in one of my BoxyCharm boxes. Okay, so my camera shut off. I'm not exactly sure where, but I was using this Luxie brush to try to like wipe some of that glitter off my face and it wasn't working so well. So I'm gonna try this thicker, more dense brush to see if it'll get a little bit of that off. And then, And then I'm going to go in with the brush I used to set my under eye. Yeah, I don't know if it's picking up on camera or not, but I definitely have like glitter like down my face, which isn't a terrible thing. I mean, whatever, but obviously, you know, you might want to do your makeup last. So, my bad. Okay, anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and finish up my under eye, and I'm going to go in with this, what is this? Oh, this Sigma blending brush. It's an E25. It's one of the little travel brushes. I think I got it free, like when I made a purchase. Like if I bought so much, I got a free brush. So, and I have the larger version in here somewhere, but whatever. So I'm gonna go in with that color, Totally Fond of You, and put that all underneath that lower lash line. And I'm going to come in about 2/3 of the way because I put some of that that lid color around and in my inner corner, and I don't want to cover that up. And then I'm going to go in with this Royal & Langnickel, what's this say? Silk Pro brush. It's just a tiny brush, so I can be more defined or more precise with my placement of the color. And I'm going to go in with that color, Spice It Up, and place that on the outer portion of that lower lash line. Okay, so there you have it. I'm gonna go off camera And I'm gonna do my eyeliner, which I think I'm just gonna do my tattoo liner in Mad Max Brown. And what am I doing? Hold on. The tattoo liner in Mad Max Brown. It's just your felt tip pen. I'm gonna do a wing liner, and then think I'm gonna do my lower waterline with this soft kohl eyeliner pencil by Rimmel in the color Sable Brown. So I'm gonna do that and apply some lashes and then highlight my face. I'll be right back. Okay guys, there it is. It's the finished look. I went ahead and, like I said, I put on my highlighter and I did my eyeliner, just like I said prior to. And then I was putting on my mascara, and I was like, you know what, after I got a coat of mascara on, I was like, I'm not really feeling putting lashes on, so I didn't, and I liked how my wing liner turned out, so I went with it. But if you want to do lashes, whatever you do whatever you want to do. This is just what I chose to do. You are free to do whatever you want. I'm not your mama. Anyway, then I used the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in the color Nude. And it's more of like a pink, mauve, whatever you say, mauve. I've been hearing like some back and forth that's really mauve, but people say mauve, whatever. Tomato, up to me. And then I used this Bare Minerals lipstick. It says Kiss Kiss in the color Kitty. And that's what I put on my lips. And then I sprayed my face with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray because it was right here in front of me from my last video I filmed. So just went with it. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Sorry, a dog just like took off. I don't know what's going on. The top is dirty. I really enjoy this palette, and like I said in the beginning, it's pretty sure I paid $14.95 at Walmart for it. I don't know, it's definitely a very pretty palette. 3, 6, 9, 12 colors, and you could do a lot of looks with it. Here it is again, just so you can see it. Definitely something I would use, not just for like fall, but I would probably use this all the time. So it's definitely a very neutral, warm tones. You can do what you want. You can go dark, you can go light, you can do anything. So I hope if you're thinking of purchasing this palette that you've enjoyed this video and that it's helped you decide if you want it or not. So thanks for stopping by my channel, and enjoy the rest of the day or evening, whatever time you're watching this. Bye.